welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome and welcome back. My name is Alvita Patrice, and thank you for clicking on this video. And as you see in the title, I'm going to be showing you guys some palettes from Profusion that I picked up from Walmart. And if you're interested in what I picked up, then keep on watching. Before I get into the video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of any and all videos that I post in the near future. So the first palette that I'm going to be showing you guys is the Pro Pigment palette, and this is what it looks like. It does come with a brush and 15 eyeshadows, and this one is like a pink and mauve purple theme. The three whites that are in this palette I think are all the same. I'll swatch them for you. They actually aren't the same. This is what they look like. One's like a purple glitter, one is a like a white glitter. The other one, it almost looks, the two at the bottom looks the same to me. So, but in the palette they do look quite the same when you look at them in the palette. So I'm really loving this one. The next palette that I have is the Siennas, and this is what it looks like. I like this one because it has that yellow in it. I am going to be doing a yellow eyeshadow look soon. This is what it looks like. And I'm going to swatch this yellow. It's called Serendipity. And the one next to it. And this is what the colors look like. The one in the middle is the yellow, and the one on the top here is that orange next to the yellow, and this is the one to the left of the yellow. It's like a shimmer color. It's not that pigmented. I use these three, this one, the yellow, and that orange. I think you would have to build them up. The shimmer, it's really nice, so really loving that. And the next palette that I picked up was called the Wanderlust, and this is what it looks like. These have a lot of shimmer colors in it. It's really pretty. I love those greens, the purples, super cute. So I'm gonna swatch these four purples in the corner right here. And these are the four purple colors. They are very pigmented, very vibrant. Unlike the Sienna palette, you will have to build those up, but this one I think is a good payoff of color. And again, this one does come with a brush. They all come with the brush. They are 15 eyeshadows, and they retail for $9.98 at Walmart. And the last palette that I picked up was called the Mattes, and this is what it looks like. It does have one little shimmer in the bottom. It's called VIP right here. So I'm going to swatch that one. And I'm going to do this yellow. Actually, it's the same yellow in Sienna's palette. It is the same yellow. So this is the Sienna, and this is the Mattes. They're very, very similar. I think that's the only one. I think that's the only one that had a like a dupe or similar. And these are three of the colors in that palette. That yellow is more vibrant than the one in the Sienna's palette, and then that glitter is called VIP, and that brown reddish brick color, I do have that on my eyes today, so I really love this palette. So overall, the palettes, I do think you will get your money's worth. Again, they only retail for $9.98 at Walmart. I think there's three more palettes. They were sold out. I think there's a Fiesta. There's one that has like a blue color that stands out. I didn't get that one either. I think there was another one. So again, you can pick these up from Walmart. They are great pigment for a great price. You again get 15 eyeshadows with a brush that you can use. I did use the brush that came with the palette. So yeah, these are similar to the NYX eyeshadows. I have showed you guys this one that says the Swear By It. This is the Profusion, and you can see there's a lot of similar eyeshadows. And if you can't get your hands on the NYX Swear By It, you definitely will get your money's worth out of the Profusion matte eyeshadow. So but yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling, and again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below if you picked up any of these palettes and what are your thoughts. And if you would like me to do a makeup look with one of these palettes, leave a comment down below with the name of the palette. I'll go over them again. This one is the Profusion Mattes. This one is the Siennas. This one is the Wanderlust. And this one is the Pro Pigment. So I'm going to go, and thank you again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.